Hey everyone, this is Grace from Kapwing, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Michael Jackson I'm Bad tiptoe dance trend that's been going around TikTok recently. This trend involves filming yourself standing on your toes and doing Michael Jackson's classic toe stand pose, then putting a specific version of his song Bad on the top of the video. There's only 3 steps to making this video, and I'll give you tips along the way, in addition to a template that you can use on your phone or computer that already has the sound on it to make editing a little easier. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so we can keep you up to date with all the latest TikTok trends and how to do them, and let's get started. Okay, so here's an overview of the whole process. You're first gonna film a video of yourself doing the toe stand pose. Then you're going to take a screenshot from that video of where you're standing on your toes, make it black and white, and then edit the clip and the photo together. And you can do this in TikTok or any video editor. I'm gonna be using a template that we made that already has the specific sound that goes along with this challenge. With all that in mind, the first step is to film the video of yourself where you're standing on your toes. I would highly recommend wearing shoes that have a hard toe because it makes it easier to do the actual toe stand. Then you can put your phone or your filming device on a tripod like I did, or you can just put it on the ground, which works too. Start filming and then walk backwards and then do the toe stand. Don't worry about what happens after you do the toe stand because you'll be only taking a screenshot of that split second. So if you fall, don't worry about it, just keep going. You can do multiple takes. I did that. It makes it easier to choose the best one, and you can try out different poses. Once that's done, you can look through the video that you just took and then screenshot the exact moment where you're on your toes. And this photo is the one that will last the rest of the video. You can use the Photos app to easily make it black and white by clicking the edit button and then going into coloring and turning saturation all the way down. Or you can do this in the next step, the last step, which is putting it all together and editing the video. Now, as I said, you can do this in TikTok or any other video editor, but we made a template in Kapwing that already has the specific remixed version of Michael Jackson's song Bad. This template works on your phone or computer, any device with internet, because it's just in the browser. The link to the template is the first one in the description below. And once you get here, you can just immediately click Make It to get started. So this template already has the song on it. As I said, you can see it up here in the Edit Audio tab. And if you want, you can even remove this song and add your own. Then here we have this just screenshot that I have. So the first step is just to click the screenshot and delete it completely. Then you can start by uploading your clip and the screenshot that you took in the last step. So 2 files, clip and screenshot, and those will load in the editor here. And you'll see that these 2 files load on top of each other in the timeline here. So the first thing you need to do is move the video clip before the screenshot clip so that the video plays and then the screenshot happens at the end. Then you want to make sure that this is properly sized for TikTok, so click the 9:16 format on this right side here, and then you might also have to go in and just drag the purple dot so the video and the screenshot fit the whole screen. Now the next step is to trim the first clip down so it ends at the position of the screenshot. So I'm going to do that by dragging my cursor through the clip to find the exact position where I do the toe stand. So that's around here. I'm going to then split the clip at that point and then just delete this excess part here. Now we have our screenshot all the way back here, so I'm gonna drag it so it's closer to the clip. You also wanna make sure that this first clip is only 5.6 seconds long because that is how long it is in the sound before it changes, and you want your screenshot coming in around that 5.6 second mark. You'll basically have to trim down from the start. My first clip is currently at 7.2 seconds, so I'm gonna have to do that and trim it down and drag it along. So now that this clip is 5.6 seconds around, I'm gonna drag the screenshot down. You can also mute this first clip if you want by just clicking it and then scrolling down on this sidebar here and clicking volume to mute it. And then you also wanna make sure that this screenshot at the end is black and white. Click it and then go to the adjust tab on the side and turn the saturation all the way down. The sound is a little bit less than 9 seconds, so you also want to make sure that the screenshot doesn't exceed that time because then it will just be on the screen with no sound. You can watch over the video a couple times as you wish. You can also add things like text or image overlays using the tools in the top bar there. And then once you're ready, you can click the red export video button. Your project will load for a few moments, and then your project will be done. So if you see a small watermark in the corner here, you can remove that for free just by signing into your Kapwing account. And then to get it to TikTok, you can either download it to your local device, then just upload it on mobile TikTok or desktop TikTok. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep you updated with all the trends that are going around TikTok and show you how to make them. Let us know if you have any feedback or questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.